Interceptors on FlutterFlow. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can enable interceptors on FlutterFlow. For this, just simply log into your account, then select this option of API calls on the left hand side panel, and over here click on the option of add, then select the option of create API call. After that, you can just simply start a one. I already started one, that's why this is the option it is showing to me, but for you this is how it will appear. Now over here you need to select the option of advanced settings and scroll down, and you would be able to find the option of add interceptor at the bottom. Simply click on this option of create new interceptor and you would be able to create this one. Now sometimes you would not be able to find it up quite easily. Now how do we access this particular interceptor? For this you will have to open up, just simply close it up for now, and you would be able to access it in the custom codes, and this way you would be able to make changes to it, and this is how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.